Hello everyone, I'm sorry for my appearance, I just took a shower, but I'm going to go through the Ratpack monthly box, but it's kind of a sad box because my rat passion recently passed away. She does have a little friend that will enjoy these treats, but this box is mainly for her. Because she was my one and only rat at the time that I ordered this, and she loved opening the box to me and climbing in and grabbing everything out and dragging it out and bringing it to me so I could open it. So this is I knew this box was coming, but I didn't expect it to be this hard. So I already opened the top so I could just open it and hurry get through this. But this stuff won't get put to waste. My other rat will use it, but this is Passion's box, and she's no longer with us. I will do a memorial video for her soon, once I can get a little bit better. Right now, it's hard. So, it has this cute little orange tissue paper on top. First thing I see is this roe and corn fun shoe. She would love this. So, yeah. Next thing is her favorite, pumpkin seeds. That will last the other rat probably a while. Whole apple, nature treats. She would love this. Contains 2 dehydrated apples. Look at that. Next is the seagrass twist. I never heard of this. So we'll see if they like it. Yeah. Seagrass twist. Next is these snap peas with raisins and apples. They gave me more this month than they normally do. She would love these. Next thing is these layer cakes. They're like little chews. That's cool. But if you guys are wondering, this box is $20 a month, and it comes monthly, obviously. And like this month, I got more than normal. I did a couple of these hauls. You guys can see I got more than I normally do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in my next video.